One of the challenges beginners have been facing on affiliate marketing is choosing the right platform. There are numerous affiliate marketing platforms out there, but only few are reliable and trustworthy. Alright, so in this very video I've gathered all the top best affiliate marketing platforms. Okay, if you want to succeed as an affiliate marketer, you need to pay close attention to this very video, because I'm going to give you the best at the ending part of this video. I'm also going to give you a few tips on how to promote this product. So if you're ready, let's get into it right now. The first on our list is ShareASale.com. This is ShareASale.com right here. Money, and I've already made a lot of videos about ShareASale. And if you've been watching my videos all this while, you know I talk about ShareASale a lot. All you need to do is simply come over to the platform on ShareASale.com. Then you have to simply create your account on ShareASale. Remember, you have to register as an affiliate. Okay, you're going to submit it for review. One of the strategies that will help you to get fast approval on your ShareASale account is to have a platform where you promote your product. Okay, so if you have either a YouTube channel or website or a huge following on your social media, you can easily get approval. One of the best platforms they request for is blog website. Okay, because this is just for publishers. Okay, so if you have a blog website where you create content, you just have to make sure you upload it when you are registering your account. Okay? If you don't have a website blog, go ahead and contact a developer that will do that for you, or you join us on our Telegram channel. You can see most of the product pays both per lead and per sale. You can simply go ahead and apply for any of these products. So that's the first on our list. So the second on our list is CJ Affiliate. This is CJ Affiliate. Okay, come over to this platform right here, then you click on this sign up button. All right, so this particular website also works like ShareASale. You create your account as a publisher. Once your account is created, then you verify all the necessary emails, you verify your phone number. They're going to simply approve your account. Okay, and once your account is approved, this is how your account is going to look like. Okay, you can easily go ahead and search for all of the platforms that you want to promote. Okay, you just have to make sure you apply for all of these very platforms by clicking on this apply button. Once you apply, then they're going to simply review it. Number 3 on our list, we have Ascend Partners. Okay, so this is Ascend Partners. So you come over to this very platform, then you have to make sure you register your account to put in your full name, your first name, your last name, your email address, your password. Make sure you use a secured password, okay, so that nobody's going to tamper with your account. Then you have to make sure you verify the password here. Then you're going to simply add your company information if you have a company. If you don't have a company information, you can simply add your social media channel, whether you have a blog website. Select your country, then you select your address. Remember, the platform is available no matter where you are. Okay, so you can see Nigeria is available as well. The address, number 1. Number 2, we have the city and your phone number. Okay, you add your publishing channel. Okay, your publishing channel can be your website blog. You can simply add your PayPal email address for payment. If you don't want to select PayPal, if you log into your account, you're going to see other payment method. Okay, accept the terms and condition on this platform. Once you accept that, click on this I'm not a robot. Then you have to make sure you submit it. Okay, then they're going to simply review your account. Once your account is being reviewed, then you can easily start promoting. Remember, you have to pick one particular niche on your blog. So that is the third one. So the next on our list, we have FlexOffers. All right, so this is FlexOffers.com. On FlexOffer, you only need to click on this get started button. All right, then you have to make sure you register your account as a publisher. Once you register as a publisher, you're going to simply pick any of the product on FlexOffer. You're promoting a product, maybe you're promoting Photoshop product. You have to make sure you write a compelling detailed review about Photoshop, how it works and the advantages. All right, so if someone is reading that, then gets to see the link, can click on it to purchase Photoshop, then you've already made money. Remember, you provided value before they click the link. Okay, so you made them to understand the importance or the benefit of having that particular Photoshop on their device or using it. Okay, and that is it. So the next on our list, we have the AvantLink. Okay, so this is AvantLink.com. This is also an affiliate marketing platform. Here, click on this apply button. Once you click on that, you're going to simply create your account on this very platform. And once your account is created, they're going to simply approve you. Okay, remember, you have to verify your email address, your phone number, and the rest. Okay, and most of the products you'll be getting here are basically products from the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and the rest of that. You just have to make sure you pick those products. Your content keywords should target this very location. So it is easy. You just have to make sure you click on this apply button. Once you apply, you fill in your full name, your email address, and the rest of that. Then you complete it, submit it for review. So the next on our list, we have Refersion.com. This is also an affiliate marketing platform. You just have to make sure you register on this very platform. It's just like an e-commerce platform. All right, you can promote people's product as an affiliate, and also if you're a merchant, you can connect your Shopify store, you can connect your WooCommerce store on this platform as well, and every other platform. Okay, once you connect all of them here, Affiliate can easily come over to this very platform, then promote your products. So it is easy on this platform. And one thing about the platform is that you have to pay a certain fee for you to join. And the next on our list, we have the PartnerStack. Okay, so this is PartnerStack.com. all right, it's just like a marketplace where both publishers and partners can easily come list their product. So as a publisher, you don't really have any product to list. You're only here to get those listed products. You promote those listed products on your platform. Remember, you are the one giving them traffic. That is affiliate marketing for you. Okay, go ahead and create your account on the platform. That once your account is being created, then you can easily go ahead and choose those platforms that you want to promote that are related to your niche. Then make sure you write a compelling review about that. If you're making video, make a compelling review video about that, then add your link. Okay, so your link should be the last thing you ever think of. Okay, you have to make sure you offer them value first before talking about promoting your link. The next on our list, we have Skimlinks. Okay, so this is Skimlinks.com. all right, this is an affiliate marketing platform that will help you to automate, monetize, and also optimize your commerce content. Okay, so remember, whenever you publish your content, both on your social media handle, your Facebook, your blog website, YouTube, so all you are required to do is to register as a publisher. All right, so if you're registering as a publisher, make sure you select blogger. Okay, so if you're registering as a media publisher, means you're not an individual. This is a media platform registering to promote this product. Okay, and if you want to register as an influencer, maybe you have a YouTube channel, you have a Facebook page, Instagram page, you can easily select this very one right here, which is the last one. Okay, but if you have a blog website, I would advise you to go for bloggers right here, so that you get the features for your blog and also integrate the links on your blog website. So to get started, click on this sign up for free. Once you are signed up, you have every right to promote any product that you want to promote. All right, that is that for Skimlinks. And the next on our list, we have the ClickBank. Okay, so this is ClickBank.com. and one thing about this platform is that it is not really available in all part of the world. Okay, most African countries like Nigeria, Ghana cannot access this very platform. But if you are not in African country, you can simply go ahead and register on this platform. Once you register as an affiliate, you can easily start promoting all the products that you want to promote. Okay, depending on the type of niche you are into. Okay, that's the only platform that is not available worldwide. All right, so the next on our list, which is the last, this is Impact.com. So just have to make sure you come over to this platform to create your account, sign up as a publisher. All right, and once you're signed up, you have to make sure you pick a product that you want to promote. I have an account on this platform as well. If you want me to make a step-by-step tutorial on each of these video platforms, I would like you to comment full video and also tag the platform you want me to make the video about. Okay, if anything bothering you, click the link in the video description and join us on the Telegram channel. I'm gonna be there to reply you. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.